So what are the benefits of renting a house versus buying one? We get asked this a lot, and there are many factors connected with this, especially where mortgage rates are today, with where the economy is. And one of the things you need to consider when you're renting is this gives you the opportunity to improve your credit score. If you, for instance, might be making more money in the next 1 to 3 years, and you know that, that's something to consider too. You want to focus on your credit score, on-time payments, your debt to income ratio. You're going to want to focus on old accounts that are less than 7 years old. Medical bills are not as important, but you're going to want to focus on attacking those piece by piece, improving your credit score, and also savings. That's something you can do while renting. Another advantage of renting is you don't have to worry about maintenance on a home. So two of the largest components, or things that could go wrong on a house, are the air conditioning and your roof. Those are really expensive. Those are something that if you buy a house, it's something to keep in mind and to talk to your realtor about. But other things can go wrong too. Your water heater, other things can break, paint, energy efficiency, AC maintenance, all those things come up. And so when you're renting, you don't have to worry so much about maintenance because the owner of the home will take care of the maintenance. And working with a property management company, you can talk to them and they will help you with any type of everyday maintenance that comes up. Now, in terms of the advantages of buying, you get to dial in the amount you pay each month. Rental rates go up each year. There was a 30% increase from 2021 to 2024. Now, rental rates are sort of averaging out right now, but the point is, when you buy a home, you are dialing in how much you're paying every month. And the benefit is that you're also able to start building equity. That's the American dream. That's what everyone wants. The ability to own a home and then to have that fixed amount that you pay each month. Now, working on your credit score and your down payment is going to help you get a lower payment per month. There's also future opportunities to refinance, but the main difference between renting and buying is going to be your situation, where you are, your goals, how much money you make, how much money you have saved, your credit score, and where your family is right now. There are plenty of situations where someone's in a 1 or 2 bedroom apartment with 2 or 3 kids, and it's better for them to take that jump right now for the mental stability, the emotional stability that brings. But the goal for everyone is to own a home. And that's something that allows you to build equity and allow you to build generational wealth as you get older, something you can give to your kids. That's the American dream. And that's the main difference between renting over buying.